then since there were no predators, the animals just give it space.
Big butt.
So you'll see a lot of this.
Descendants of dinosaurs.
Yeah. You consider the legs.
Oh yeah, look at the feet. So we'll see more of that.
Yeah, you'll see more of that. Okay, shall we?
Yep.
Yes, we shall.
This is our gazelle, and then this is antelope.
You want to see giraffe?
Yes. We're going to walk.
We're going to like be right next to giraffe.
Well, we did see them.
Yeah, they're still out there.
So these the trees you can see here, the small ones.
Yeah.
These are called acacia trees.
So there's
This is
little
what-
baby ones.
Yes.
Is
This is
it
what
acacia?
mainly acacia trees.
And they got little pokes. This is like more than
You see the yellow?
Yeah.
So the yellow is also medicine. So it means even if mosquitoes from here bite you, because of the habitat around, you can't get malaria. So that's a plus for us guys.
And we
so
have
we don't have to eat.
So apparently the females are a bit friendly.
We thought.
The males are a bit aggressive. So like I mentioned,
They're not gonna want to go for it.
like I
And
mentioned,
if they do, are you gonna tackle it?
this one is definitely going to show you. Everybody for the picture.
These guys can run pretty quick, though, can't they?
Yeah. The ticket is usually to just antelope.
This is an antelope.
Yeah, this is a type of an antelope.
Looks more like a donkey.
Yeah. So the reason why it's called a waterback, it's because it feeds mostly on the water shores, and that explains why the hoofs are dark. Because of staying long hours in the water, the hoofs turn to become black. However, from the knee, going down, it's going right down. So you wanted to see the giraffe? Yeah, just the
Don't get too close. Is this a young male? Is that what
yeah,
the
this is
colors
a
are?
young male. Yeah.
I'm a sin. God is love. I am love. Whom date? Love, love, love. More compatible, much more reliable. Love, love, love. Universal love. Love is to preserve like my farm, like my vegetable, like my herb, like my calm. Love is to preserve like my farm. Your love like my uniform. Love is to preserve like my farm, like my vegetable, like my herb, like my calm. Love is to preserve like my farm. Your love like my uniform. Fixing all the suit of love, something I'm a boot of love, while I got a super love.
This is antelope. If they poop one big one, another one like this is
That's donkey.
Let's take a picture of the fruit. Why not?
and then,
Why not?
Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is donkey as well. So in one go, a hippo could poop around 10 kgs. Worth of poop.
Kuna hizo zenye ziko na dark stripes na zenye ziko na lighter ones.
Nope. There's a black and white, and there's a white and black.
White and black.
Yeah.
Na zote ziko hapa.
Total difference. So let me explain, and then you probably can guess it. There are two types of zebras. There's a black zebra with white stripes, and there's a white zebra with black stripes.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you want to know what kind of a zebra it is, one color will be predominant over the other.
These are white.
Yeah, white is more predominant. Then you can see like the stripes are very clear.
Look at the king in the back.
Oh yeah. So also remember to keep some distance.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, baby.
So there are two antelopes here, or gazelles. So we have the waterback at the very end with the biggest horns, and then these other two small ones are Thompson's gazelles. They are super fast.
Yes.
And in case they spot danger, they will usually run to the savannah where it's empty. because they can release spirits.
Them say me cute, I love. Chew me beer, the fruit, I love. I drive the dude, I love. Man, me never mute, I love. People say me cute, I love. I know me cute, I love. Them a salute me love. Chew me grow the root, I love. Them say me cute, I love. I know me cute, I love. Them a salute me love. Chew me grow the root, I love. Love is to preserve like my farm, like my vegetable, like my herb, like my plant. Love is to preserve like my farm. Real love like my uniform. Love is to preserve like my farm, like my vegetable, like my herb, like my plant.
Mato. Hello? Bado. Uh-huh. Alright, cool. Uh-huh.
Hello.
Pale. Sawa. Watatu wana giraffe.
Lucky him.
So they kick.
Yeah, so we stay back.
And you see the size of the poop?
Yes.
Very small. You think such a big animal would poop?
A huge one, huge load.
Good now.
So this is what I was telling you about. They eat the leaves.
Yeah, they eating the thorns too.
The thorns
The
don't
thorns.
bother them.
Yeah. So this need to look for a place here where they can go. So this need to look for a place here.
Love is to preserve like my farm. Real love like my uniform. I know perfect for love. I get vexed for love. I impress for love. Shall forget my love. Papa check my love. Say them wanna take my love. Gamble on a bit my love. Like they wanna wreck my love. Hey, you never make me love. From you get me love. You can't reject my love. You have to take my love. You never make me love. From you get me love. You can't reject my love. You have to take my love.
So I'm glad Patrick's not just sitting there twiddling his thumbs all the time.
I need love. You need love. They need love. We all need love. I need love. You need love.
It's 2 hours?
Yeah,
Yeah,
2
2 hours.
See, right now everyone is also on the road.
But sorry, what is saying? Supposed to be Nairobi at what time?
We are supposed to leave here at 4.
Oh,
So we actually
We're
have
actually
time.
on time. Remember that?
preserve like my farm. Your love like my uniform. Love is to preserve like my farm. Like my vegetable, like my herb, like my car. Love is to preserve like my farm. Your love like my uniform. Fixing all my soul, the love, and I'm a good love. Well, but I super love, just fully you. Them silly cute, I love. Let me hear the fruit, I love. I drive the truth, I love. Man, me never mute, my love. People say me truth, I love. I know me cute, I love. Them a salute me love. True, me grow the root, I love. Them say me truth, I love. I know me cute, I love. Them a salute me love. True, me grow the root, I love. Love is to preserve like my farm. Like my vegetable, like my herb, like my car. Love is to preserve like my farm. Your love like my uniform. Love is to preserve like my farm. Like my vegetable, like my herb, like my car. Love is to preserve like my farm. Your love like my uniform. I know perplex for love. I get vexed for love. I impress for love. Shall forget my love. I'm gonna check my love. Say them wanna take my love. Gamble on a bit my love. Like they wanna wreck my love. Hey, you never make me love. From you get me love. You can't reject my love. You have to take my love. You never make me love. From you get me love. You can't reject my love. You have to take my love. I need love. You need love. They need love. We all need love. I need love. You need love. They need love. We all need love. Loving that you want to bring home. The whole world needs some. Queen daughters and king's son. Hey, from Africa to Kingston. Who have one like them that know them love food. Screwing up them face when them sleep on road. Acting like dear life them to overload. To crash and lose love, me just can't afford. Love, love, love. More compatible, much more reliable. Love, love, love.
Jam Tour Africa, must do, must book. The best team ever. We had an amazing time. We took it to 11. They rocked.
Your love like my